Hi there, my name is Cronenwett. Today I'm going to give you a video tour of the fixed wing radio control portion of Booter Park. Booter Park actually has rockets, FPV quads, a control line area, and a fixed wing radio control with 2 runways. They're at the northeast corner of Highway 141 and I-44. And if you GPS 190 Valley Park Road, Valley Park, Missouri, or just Booter Park, it'll take you there. Now there's 2 runways, 30 foot by 350. They're both fully paved. We have a covered pavilion, engine run-up stands, and lots of parking. However, to fly here, you do need to have AMA membership and a Glisma Park Pass. The Glisma Park Pass is a $30 per year pass, and all of the money goes back into the park for site improvements within all of those areas. So like it pays for the new roof that just got put in, fixing or sealing the runway or any asphalt within the model airplane area, and then fixing other items. Now there is Glisma.com, which is the homepage for Glisma. St. Louis Aeropilots call Booter Park home, and they fly radio control. Control line, it's Lafayette Escadrille. FPV drones and quad racing is the Whirlybirds. So let's go see what this looks like. Hello there, my name is Cronenwett. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the fixed wing radio control portion of Booter Park. Now this is there's lots of parking, as you can see, and there's a porta potty. Now right in the middle of the pit area is a pavilion, and the roof was redone in August of 2020. And so there's a pit area down this way, and then there's more pit area over this way. And then we even have spectator stands. It's a little bit breezy right now, and that's why I don't think anyone's here right now. Now we do have a requirement that if you're a local flyer, you should have a Glisma Park Pass. And this Park Pass, all the money goes back into the flying site. For example, this roof got paid for by Glisma funds. The asphalt was sealed with Glisma funds. So when it gets hot here, which it does, and you want to get out of the sun, you can come into the pavilion. You can't run your motors up inside the pavilion, but you can certainly assemble and then put all your gear on the picnic tables. Now the selection of tails has been growing. Now of course these are all crashed airplanes, and that was what remained. Now we have a good number of engine run-up stands, and these allow you to run the motor up without having anyone hold the airplane for you. Now everything you see there in blue, where it says fly zone, that's where you can fly. The in yellow, where it says no fly zone, that's all the soccer areas. So you can't fly between the runway and the pavilion, and then you can't fly over the parking lot, which is behind us. And they got grills here, so it's not uncommon to see the St. Louis Aeropilots grilling some food here. And there's a taxiway that gets you out to the runway. Now there's another runway to the left and to the right of this. But this west-east runway, most of it is west-east, is the one that normally gets used. Now way off in the distance there's a launch pad for rockets. So when you're down here, if you see a rocket being launched, that's okay, that's normal. Now I'll show you I'll show you a map of what the flight area is now, because over off in that distance you see some soccer facilities. You can't fly over the soccer areas, and then you can go up to those trees there. Now this is looking west, obviously, because I'm late in the afternoon.
Oh, is it some batteries, as you call?
Yep.
Okay.
We got a copy of it right there. Yeah. Miles, follow me. Stay real close.
Yeah.
Move over there.
Yeah.
You know, it'll take 5 minutes and we'll go be done.
You know what? We could put the hooks up. That would just be better.
Way in front of the leading edge. Yeah.
So here in the RC area, it could be a park flyer, it could be a 60 size airplane, it could be a helicopter, it could also be these larger airplanes. This is a gasoline powered airplane as opposed to glow powered. So the airplane size, there's no limit to the size, but you have to be able to fit within the airspace with the airplane.
Landing. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Well, now, this system opens and it's not a copy of the document. It is, that's what I'm going to go. Right.